పేరు నరేష్ అండి. నేను ఈసీ అగ్రోటెక్ కంపెనీలో బిజినెస్ డెవలప్మెంట్ మేనేజర్గా చేస్తున్నాను. ఇక్కడ సిద్దిపేటలో మా బ్రాంచెస్ చాలా ఉన్నాయి. ఎవరికైనా కస్టమర్ సపోర్ట్ కావాలన్నా లేకుంటే పౌల్ట్రీలో ఎవరైనా ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉన్న వాళ్ళు ఉంటే ఈసీలో మేము తప్పకుండా మీకు హెల్ప్ చేయగలుగుతాం.
We Easy Agrotech is a engineering based company based at we Easy Agrotech are an engineering based company based at eastern part of India in Bhubaneswar, Odisha. We are into modern animal farming equipments. Basically, we are dealing with poultry equipments like automatic feeding system, drinking system, fan and cooling system, and your modern housing system completely, which includes prefabricated building also. And these poultry exhibitions, basically we are always waiting for this high-tech poultry exhibitions. It is one of the biggest opportunity for us to be here because lots of people from different countries also coming to here to know about us. It's a right place to be participate in Poultry India. Of course, Easy Agrotech is the first time in Poultry India, but I personally I have more than 6 years I have been participated here, and
so we are from this company and we have come from Odisha. So we have got the manufacturing unit as well as we are doing this turnkey basis consultation for all the farmers in Odisha. And right now we are also working in Hyderabad and we have got more than 15 projects in Hyderabad.